Hi, Alex at Harper Agency. Today I'm going to talk about umbrella policies, also known as personal liability policies. Really, everyone should have one of these policies, but specifically if you are a business owner, have youthful drivers, or have assets that you're trying to protect, this is definitely a policy that you should consider. How it works is starts at $1 million. It can go all the way up to a $10 million umbrella. It's going to cover all of your autos, all of the drivers, all of your homes, all of your toys, so boat, golf cart, motorcycle, whatever you have, you can put everything underneath this umbrella policy so that in the event of a claim, once those policy limits are exceeded on your personal auto or your home policy, you're gonna have an excess $1 million minimum worth of coverage on your umbrella policy that you can tap into to cover all of your expenses, whether it be a lawsuit or a payout that needs to be paid to the injured party. You're going to have that protection in place. It's also going to cover frivolous lawsuits as well. Funny story, when I first started insurance, very green to the industry, one of the first claims that I ever experienced was this woman who, her neighbor was walking their dog and the dog was using the restroom in her yard. Well, the policyholder had, told her to pick up her dog's mess. She actually tripped over her sprinkler head, the lady who was walking her dog, and ended up suing my policyholder for damage to her face. It shattered her cheekbone when she tripped and fell on the sidewalk. The policy paid out for the legal expenses, and my policyholder did not pay a dime to this, and also did not award any punitive damages to that other party as well. Another instance would be for youthful drivers. We had, unfortunately, recommended an umbrella policy to a business owner. She denied the coverage, and she had a youthful driver, brand new licensed driver, who was driving to football practice one morning. A motorcycle pulled out in front of him, and he hit the motorcycle. They had state minimum limits, so it paid out $30,000 in bodily injury coverage, and the family is now suing her. If she would have had the umbrella policy, that could have paid out an additional $1 million on top of the $30,000 that paid out. A lot of times you're required to raise your limits on your auto policy, so if you quoted it at $250,000, they could essentially get $1,250,000 worth of coverage paid out to them instead of $30,000. So now her assets are exposed where she could have easily protected that with this simple policy. If this is something that you are interested in or you would like more information on, we would love to go into detail with you. Give us a call.